Powered by secondary combustion, MINI MAX TADAK Plus delivers intense fire and reliable performance for authentic outdoor cooking. We show 3 key points of MINI MAX TADAK Plus. Point 1. MINI MAX TADAK Plus brings a new level of high-efficiency combustion through advanced design. Experience double combustion technology that burns smoke twice for stronger fire and cleaner air. Fresh air enters through the bottom holes to create the perfect first combustion. Preheated air flows through the double-structured channel to ignite the second combustion inside the stove. TADAK stove minimizes thermal deformation through rigorous testing and optimized structure. Point 2. A sliding ashtray ensures quick and effortless cleaning for user convenience. A practical side shelf provides space for tools and ingredients while cooking outdoors. Point 3. Made with full stainless steel in Korea, TADAK guarantees unmatched durability and quality. Precision begins with laser cutting, surface finishing, and detailed marking to ensure accuracy in every component. Careful bending, solid assembly, and thorough inspection complete the process with uncompromising quality. Powerful and stable flames elevate real outdoor cooking experiences. Each component of TADAK Plus is thoughtfully designed for efficient combustion, easy use, and flexible outdoor setups. Certified patents and approvals prove technical reliability. MINI MAX Company continues to innovate in Korea with trusted technology and passionate craftsmanship. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us.